Hi everyone, welcome back. Now we have our AWS account configured. We are all set up. We need to control our budget. So we need to decide what could be our weekly, daily or monthly budget. And I want to control if I see some unexpected activities or budgets that it's out of my control, I want to see and get notified. So we can go from here, from billing. There is billing, and also we can go from here as well. Billing dashboard on the top of the screen on the right. We go to billing dashboard and it's going to come to the same place. From here we can see all the services that we used, cost by service. These are the ones I use: Elastic Compute Cloud, Relational Database Service, Key Management Service, and this one is not charged. And the ones that are charged, I can see bills from here as well. And now I need to create a budget. Just go to budgets, create a budget. We can use a template or customized. I'm going to select monthly cost budget. You can also create a budget that you can control your free tier limit. Spending exceeds 0.01, which means you are exceeding free tier limits, and you can select this one as well. But I'm practicing sometimes, so I don't mind exceeding a little bit. I'm just going to call that my monthly cost budget. This will be $1 USD. I'm just going to put it in the name. It's going to be easy for me to understand. And this will be $1. Email receipts here. And this is going to be it. And it's that simple. So once I exceed that budget amount, it's going to notify me. I hope this video was useful for you. If you want to learn more about AWS, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye. You harder than hell. None can compete 'cause you're